we'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs for your streaming needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to streamlabs.com. Once you're there, click on the download button to get the Streamlabs desktop application installed on your computer. After downloading, open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. When you first open Streamlabs, you'll be prompted to log in with your preferred streaming platform, whether it's Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Choose your platform and authorize Streamlabs to access your account. This is crucial for integrating your streaming setup. Next, you'll be in the Setup Wizard, which helps you configure your initial settings. You'll need to allow Streamlabs to automatically optimize your settings based on your hardware by clicking on Optimize. This ensures the best performance tailored to your system's capabilities. Now, it's time to set up your scenes and sources. Click on the point sign under the Scenes section to create a new scene. Give it a name that makes sense for the content you're broadcasting. After that, go to the Sources section and click the points to add a new source. Here, you can add different elements like your display capture, webcam, or a specific window capture. Make sure to adjust their sizes and positions within the preview window to fit your desired layout. You can also add overlays, alerts, and widgets by clicking on the Themes tab at the top, which allows you to customize your stream's appearance and interactivity. Remember to test your stream by going live on a private setting to see if everything looks and sounds good. And there you have it. You're ready to start streaming with Streamlabs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.